Good afternoon, matriculants, and welcome to the rewind session that we have right here on Matrix Uploaded. Now, what happens here is that I tell you about all the stuff, or rather remind you about all the stuff that you've learned in your grade 11 and that will prepare you for grade 12. So remember that sometimes scientists have actually made discoveries quite by accident. I mean, did you know that one of the greatest life-saving drugs, the antibiotic penicillin, was actually discovered when Alexander Fleming made a chance discovery in his lab? Fleming had just returned from a holiday, and before he'd left for his holiday, he'd piled up a number of petri dishes by the side in which he was working and growing bacteria so that his colleague may use his bench while he was away. So while sorting through his pile of dishes coming out of the holiday, he noticed something strange. While had been away, a fungus had grown in the dish, and that in itself was not particularly strange. But however, this fungus had seemed to have killed the bacteria that had been growing on the dish. So Fleming realized that this might be producing a substance that killed bacteria. So the research into antibiotics was begun by chance discovery. Now, you'll realize that Fleming did not set out to test whether that particular fungus could kill bacteria or not. But however, after this chance discovery, many more tests were done to find out exactly what the bacterial killing potential of this substance that we today know as penicillin really was. So the scientific method is an organized approach to solving problems that underpins the way science happens in our society. So you need to be able to use this method to test and challenge ideas and also solve problems. So you'll find that the scientific method pops up in every section of your life sciences grade 12 curriculum. And the best way to getting used to this is to sort of play around the ideas of questioning, making hypothesis statements, discussing the best methods to test these hypotheses, controlling variables, and dealing with the results in class. So in the lesson today, you look at the scientific method in detail and how to recognize the various steps in the process.